Hello everyone, welcome back to ConnollyCove, your go-to channel for travel and cultural experiences. Today we're taking you on a magical journey to the heart of Vienna, where the air is filled with the joy of the holiday season. Join us as we explore the enchanting Rathausplatz Christkindlmarkt. Rathausplatz Christkindlmarkt, located in the heart of Vienna, is one of Europe's most iconic Christmas markets. Nestled in front of the magnificent Rathausplatz City Hall, this market has been a cherished tradition for locals and visitors alike for centuries. Now let's dive into what makes this market so special. The market boasts over 150 stalls, each offering a unique array of crafts, gifts, and delicious treats. From handcrafted ornaments to intricate wooden toys, Rathausplatz Christkindlmarkt truly captures the spirit of the season. Speaking of treats, you can't visit the market without trying some of the local specialties. From traditional Austrian pastries to warm mulled wine, your taste buds are in for a treat. But it's not just about shopping and indulging in tasty treats. Rathausplatz Christkindlmarkt offers a variety of entertainment for the whole family. From live music and carolers to charming puppet shows, there's something for everyone. Now, let's take a moment to appreciate the stunning backdrop of Rathausplatz. The Rathaus itself is beautifully illuminated, creating a captivating atmosphere. And don't miss the gigantic Christmas tree that stands tall, adorned with thousands of twinkling lights. One of the most heartwarming aspects of Rathausplatz Christkindlmarkt is the sense of community. Families, friends, and tourists gather here to share in the festive spirit, creating memories that last a lifetime. And there you have it, a glimpse into the magic of Rathausplatz Christkindlmarkt in Vienna. Whether you're drawn to the charming stalls, the delightful entertainment, or simply soaking in the festive atmosphere, this Christmas market is a must-visit during the holiday season. If you enjoyed our virtual tour, don't forget to give us a thumbs up and hit that follow button to stay updated with more travel adventures. And as always, thank you for joining us here at ConnollyCove. Happy holidays, and we'll see you in the next video.